Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Hopper. Today let me show you how to make a Game Pass and Roblox. To create a Game Pass and Roblox, first you have to go to roblox.com and log into your account. Click on Create in the upper portion to access your dashboard. Under the Experience tab, select your place, then click on Associated Items in the upper left corner of your screen. Next, click on the Passes tab and create a pass by uploading an image and filling in the details like name and description. After submitting, you'll see your newly created pass. Click on it to access additional settings and information. To put your pass up for sale, click on Sales in the upper right corner and enable the sale option. Set a price. Remember, you'll only get 70% of the sales. And save changes. Now the price of the pass will be reflected under associated items. And there you have it. You've successfully made a Game Pass in Roblox. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.